Got one, guys. Finally. Look at you. You can't even control your kayak. Talking about you on the race. What's up, guys? We are now packed up. Got the stuff in the trunk. And we're about to head to the creek. Do some creek floating and fishing. So it should be fun. So you guys stay tuned. Boy, Isaac, where you running at, bro? Come on, bro. Where you running at?
Gang.
We got the whole damn team.
Let me tell them what we're about to do. So today, you know, Jalen gonna catch some minnows.
I'm gonna catch some minnows. That's how you really feel?
Y'all keep watch. You know,
that's how you feel. Alright, got my boy Benjamin, you feel me? Fly, it's fly?
Two fly.
Two fly. There we go. Waiting on the bus real quick, so you know, we're gonna be on the water here shortly, so you guys stay tuned. And yeah, hopefully I can get some smallmouth bass, some decent smallmouth bass. We're in Missouri right now, so we're gonna try to catch some fish for you folks real quick, have a good time. And we got to show you guys what's popping real quick.
Hurry up, bro. What you got, bro? Oh, okay.
Oh, you know, you see that, bro? You see that, bro? Look at that, bro. Look at that fish, bro.
Oh, you got something. You got something. Nope, just the current.
Just the current, bro.
Okay, cool, thanks.
Woo!
You know what you're doing, bro? You know what you're doing? Are you like a fisher, dude?
Dude, what are you talking about, man? This is crazy, guys. Hey, bro, I got one. Oh, bro. What the hell? I just caught two, guys. I just caught two right there.
Are you trying to reel me in?
Hell yeah. All right, come here. No.
You need a sugar daddy? Got money that tastes good?
I'm broke. I'm homeless. Hey. Oh my gosh, this got big, guys. What's good, man?
Hold up. Hold up. Hey. Hold up, baby.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up?
What's up, dude?
Wait, put me. If you ain't gonna put me on the vlog, bro, stop coming over here like.
Who you?
What you doing, bro?
Hey, y'all, don't listen to this dude.
When you
if y'all ever see him on the street, y'all just turn around.
Why I gotta be in the streets? But it's not even recording.
Cause you
I got off the
homeless.
streets when I got on.
Cause you live in a box, bro.
I got off food stamps, bro.
You got all food stamps?
Where you live?
I don't live nowhere, bro.
That's his place right there. He be fishing off it.
Hey, bro, I didn't even see that.
I'm
That's
saying
dope.
that's dope. Yeah, you don't live in a box.
Really?
Yeah. That was rented though.
That's crazy.
This for your safety, right?
Uh-huh.
This is for your safety, right? Like, you notice I'm the only one in that group. So I see you got the camera to make sure that you covered.
Hell yeah! Oh, you already know.
I understand, bro. I understand.
I was a professional kayaker back in the days, man.
Back in the day, can I touch the skill level, bro?
Look at you. You can't even control your kayak. Talking about you on the race.
I know, bro. It's just because of the angle I'm at right now.
Let me help you out there, huh? There you go. Look at you, girl. Who is this guy? You know this guy?
He just came.
Just out of nowhere, huh?
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, he got something. Put him in there. Get him in there. Get him in there, bro. Get him in there.
You got him?
There you go, bro. There you go.
You ain't want to hold him?
Oh, he got. Hey. Woo!
Yeah, but you'll lose your footing, you know.
Woo!
Get your Wakanda self in the water.
See that fish? Gotta catch one fish today, guys. Whoa, that was crazy. 11 every day. Woo! Oh, baby. Oh! Let's go. That's cold. Oh man, let's go.
Watch out for skipping rocks.
There's gonna be fish. They're gonna be right here. Got one, guys. Got one. Oh, little small guy. Oh, catch and release. Caught one. You guys seen it?
You catch any fish yet?
No.
Not yet?
I caught one over there and then it got loose. Yeah.
Oh, so it was on the shore and you didn't get to reel it in?
Fishing,
I seen it.
catch one, but
What is that?
Make sure you try.
A what? Cantaloupe?
It's a different kind of
okay.
That's good.
He loves the fish.
Got one, guys. Woo! Had one. What the hell? I'm gonna catch one. I'm just having bad luck, guys. Bad luck. Oh, there's a fish right there. Got one. Got one. Yeah. Oh, he's in here. He's in there. Come here. Come here. Oh, he fell off the boat. That's pretty fun, guys. Hook at ratio sucking today, guys. I haven't even felt a fish today, which is crazy, guys. Crazy. Got one. Got one, guys. Finally. Got one on tape. Took forever. Little smallmouth bass right here. First impressions, the bait does not hold up very well. And that's just being honest, guys. The bait does not hold up very well. That's just, I linked up with a couple fish though, so I gave it the benefit of the doubt, but no excuses, Guggen baits. This one ripped up really bad. Oh no, baby. Oh my gosh. I thought I messed up right there. Got one. A little tiny bluegill. Tiny bluegill. Not exactly what I was looking for. Oops. Oops. Hey, 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 hey. Next time, don't eat my freaking bait. Woo. Let's get a release on this guy. Got one, guys. Big old rock bass. I haven't caught one of these in so long. Years. So third species up today. Got us a little rock bass. How cool was that, guys? Rock bass. So we finally made it. What's up, guys? Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to the channel. It was an interesting video. Have so much fun. A lot of drunk people, but hey, we caught some fish. It was possible to catch fish with hundreds of people on the river, so that was nice. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys at another video. Thank you, guys.